Hello and welcome to 11192 Albatross Circle. We are in Fishers, Indiana. We're in the Fall Creek Township of Hamilton County. That means that the schools are Hamilton Southeastern Schools, award-winning schools. This is all the front yard of the home that is for sale here at 11192 Albatross Circle. For more information about this listing, call 317-752-862. Now let's take a tour. This home was built in 2011. It has had a single homeowner, so the house is only 7.5 years old. The semi-annual property taxes here are $1,796, and that's every 2 times a year that tax is paid. And that is Fisher's taxes. This neighborhood is called the Intercoastal at Geist. It's a beautiful Geist waterfront neighborhood. Many of the homes have a boat dock, including this home. The boat dock is B2, and it is not right here behind the house because the reservoir is the other way. This has a big, beautiful front porch, great for sitting in your rockers and watching out over the neighborhood. We have some nice transoms beside and above the door to let the natural light in. This home is impeccably decorated. It looks like a model home. It's beautiful, it's big, it's bright, it's roomy. It's very well coordinated. The color scheme is integrated throughout the first floor of this ranch home. And this home can be purchased fully furnished as the seller is planning to travel. Right here inside of the front door, we have an office. This home has beautiful wood floors. The office has gorgeous French doors. It does have a closet, so the office can be used as a bedroom. And there is a bedroom right here by the front door as well. This can be a guest room, it could be a child's bedroom. It has a nice big closet. This is a linen closet. It's very roomy, has lots of shelving. And this is a bathroom with 2 sinks, which is very nice when you have guests. The bathroom is big. It has a lovely one-piece molded vinyl surround with great storage. It has the curved curtain to make it feel roomier inside. It has updated light fixtures and a ceramic tile floor. There's some crown molding throughout the home, included in the beautiful dining room. The dining room has these pretty columns. It also has the wainscoting halfway up to give it some architectural interest and flair. This holds a very large table and a large hutch, as you can see. It has a modern light fixture with some distressed furniture, so it kind of gives it that interesting farmhouse feel. This is a pretty little piece. Keep in mind, you can move into this house and have it look just like this, or bring your own furnishings. This is the laundry room. We'll go out in the garage in a minute. The laundry room has extra built-ins. This is the greatroom. It's a large greatroom. This is a roomy house. It's 3,626 square feet. And on the main floor, it is 2,209. That's bigger than most 4-bedroom ranch homes. We've got a full walkout basement that we'll go downstairs to in a few minutes. There's a breakfast room. All of this has hardwood floors. Beautiful kitchen, staggered height gourmet countertop with a beautiful built-in wood range hood that exhausts to the outside. These are high-end Whirlpool appliances. They're only 7 years old. The homeowner put very nice pulls on this maple cabinetry. It's a beautiful granite countertops with a big breakfast bar. Cool modern stools. We have a recessed stainless steel sink and one of these really nice faucets that pulls out. This is a gourmet gas cooktop with 5 burners and double ovens. Regular oven on the bottom. The top oven is a convection oven or a microwave. This home has a large pantry. Really convenient spot here between the dining room and the kitchen. This is a very nice Whirlpool refrigerator. It's got this nice snack drawer. If you have kids, you'll be glad you have that. And the side-by-side opening. And yet it's very large inside for platters and large dishes. Keeping the freezer on the bottom is more efficient. Saves you money, keeps things colder. Before we go down to the basement, let's take a look at the master suite. This home has a gas fireplace. All of the televisions, the mounts, and the sound systems can be included in the purchase price of this home. The current purchase price is $390,000. That does include appliances, but it does not include any of the furnishings. This is the master suite. It's large, it has beautiful tray ceilings, big enough for a nice ceiling fan. It has lots of windows, so it has good natural light. It's right here off the greatroom, which is very convenient. This is a master suite that includes a master bath attached with ceramic tile floor, a tiled step-in shower, a garden tub for soaking, a large walk-in closet. This walk-in closet is not currently double hung, but it could be. And you could roll that into your loan if you'd like to make us an offer that would include some upgrades like that. That way you could finance the upgrades if you prefer. This is the water closet. We all know what's in there. And we have comfort height or raised, taller height cabinetry in here with double sinks and modern lighting. These doors are so nice because they're smaller. It's easy to have one open and one closed, and the door's not in the way. The carpet is neutral, the walls are neutral. This home is truly move-in ready. It's got a pop of green right here. That would be easy to change, and it's got really nice built-ins. So this is the main floor. I'm going to take a quick look at the backyard because you ought to know that the backyard is small here. If you don't want much yard work to do, this is a perfect backyard for you. And here is a plan that we got from a landscaping company to really trick out this backyard. And this could be rolled into your loan if you'd prefer. And there's room back there for a hot tub, and for a nice water feature and a fire feature and great seating. So even though it's a small backyard, there certainly is enough room to make it a great space for entertaining. Okay, that's the first floor. Let's take a look at the laundry room real quick and the garage before we go downstairs. All the appliances can be included in the purchase price of this home at $390,000, and that is as of today, which is the 11th of May, 2019. This laundry room has lots of extra cabinetry in it, and it has a deep sink. There are 2 coat closets, one of them by each door. That's really smart, especially to have one by your garage door. And this is a 3-car garage, but it's a tandem. Now this garage has had extra insulation added. There's been extra insulation blown in the entire home. And all these walls and the ceiling in this garage have been updated. And this is a fancy pants garage door opener that can be controlled by Wi-Fi with extra springs and a super glide garage door. There's lots of storage in this garage. That would stay. Any of this storage in the garage can stay if you would like it to for the right offer. And there's more attic storage up there. So it's a nice big 3-car garage, perfect for storing your boat, because as I said, you have a boat dock that is included with this home. That is a deeded boat dock, but the boat docks cannot be sold to anyone outside of the neighborhood at this time. You could sell it to a different homeowner in the neighborhood, but the docks are just for the use of the intercoastal at Geist residents. All of the artwork in this home will be for sale separately. And this is a Salvador Dali, and who do you think it looks like? The basement is carpeted, except for this area to the left that is meant to be a kitchenette or a dining area. Had one visitor to the open house today that said he would make this his office. It is plumbed for a wet bar and could have a kitchenette right there. There is also a full bathroom down here in the basement with ceramic tile floor. This is engineered hardwood flooring that is meant to be water resistant. This is a large rec room down here. It's got a gaming area and a large family room. And this home can be included with this high-end projection movie system. It's got a very large screen, built-in surround sound. There's the speakers. There are no windows in this part of the basement, which makes it great for a movie room. This is the mechanicals room, and you see that there is a sump pump. Actually, there are dual sump pumps with a backup battery for perfect safety against flooding, and there is a radon emission system. This is the controller. This would be left behind for the right offer. We will leave all of the theater equipment, including this controller, so that you can have movie parties and football parties and enjoy this wonderful space in the basement. There's also a bedroom down here, so this can be a great space for guests. They can have their own little apartment down here. Or if you've got a teenage kid, this would be heaven for a teenage child to have their bedroom, their bathroom, and their family room area down here. Again, this is 11192 Albatross Circle in Fishers, Indiana, 46040. And on the 11th of May, 2019, this home is on the market for $390,000. We're in Hamilton County, Hamilton Southeastern award-winning school district. This is not finished. This is storage area. This is great storage for anything that you need to keep. You don't need to pay for any public storage anymore. All this built-in cabinetry can stay. It's not actually attached, but it will stay. And the shelving will all stay for you too. So please call 317-752-8622 if you have any more questions about 11192 Albatross Circle. Thanks for touring with me, and have a great day.